Hello everyone, you are welcome to the field demonstration of AI-guided precision spraying against fall armyworm pest and its symptoms in the maize farm. The program was sponsored by Ministry of Communication under the Nigeria Artificial Intelligence Research Scheme in 2024. So we're moving tools, pipes, pumps, and other materials into the project farm site in Osun State University, Osogbo campus. So at the site, which is a maize farm, pipes were laid to convey pesticide across the farm. So we have pesticide tank suspended on the palm trunk, and pumps were positioned at determined intervals along the pipes in the farm. So these are the researchers. Having set up the farm, the technical team assembled the component and AI model trained to identify the pest and the symptoms of the pest were configured on the processor. After that, the drone was used to scan through the farms. So the drone was used in a waypoint mode to scan through the farm. All the images recorded by the drone are automatically communicated to the processor Raspberry Pi.
Yeah.
So not only the images, also the location coordinate via GPS data were simultaneously communicated to the Raspberry Pi located at the control table. So the AI model trained to identify the pest and the symptoms of the pest on the maize crop are located on the Raspberry processor. So once the drone communicates the processor, the AI model run through the images, and once any positive images are identified to be pest, then the next protocol runs through the ESP32 device to calculate the nearest pump to the identified location of the pest or symptoms. So this is the Raspberry Pi and the AI model running through the images communicated by the drone. And the ESP will now identify the nearest pump around the identified location to activate it. So it has activated the nearest pump to the identified location. So, and this one will spray for the predetermined number of seconds. So the drone continues scanning through the farm and continue to communicate its images and locations to the Raspberry Pi and the AI model. So once another one is detected, this is the running on the Raspberry Pi and the AI model. Once another one is detected, then they communicate the ESP32 to calculate the nearest pump to the identified location in order to spray the area too. So the advantage of this is that we don't need to buy expensive agricultural drone again that will carry limited number of pesticide. Any amount of pesticide can be located in our farm, and any cheap drone can be used once it can communicate images and the GPS location. So the AI model and the ESP32 will calculate the nearest pump to spray the area. So this saves cost and it uses cheaper drone to operate, and it also saves pesticide as well as it has unlimited amount of pesticide that it can be deployed. So thank the sponsor.